Exhausted, yet relieved now that a jury has found former Spokane VA doctor guilty of all counts of abusing children and videotaping his acts. Craig Morgenstern guilty on all 34 counts, including aggravated sexual abuse of a child and the production of child pornography. KXY4's Aaron Luna was in court for that verdict. Aaron?
Nadine, after a difficult week of testimony, it took the jury less than 2 hours to return with verdicts of guilty. In court, the prosecution painted Morgenstern as a curator of child porn and a man who used his position of trust to abuse children in several states. The defense said there was a mountain of evidence against his client, and the jury agreed. His face showed up on numerous videos and images.
And this crime is a horrible crime. It's hard to envision a crime that's worse than this.
Those pictures and movies taken from Craig Morgenstern's personal hard drives and memory cards showed him sexually abusing young boys. Jurors had to watch over 8 minutes of the filth, many shielding their eyes just minutes into the evidence.
A less than 2 hour jury deliberation suggests that the evidence was very strong.
The investigation started in late October of 2014 when a 13-year-old boy escaped from Morgenstern's 9-mile home and called 911 saying he was drugged and sexually assaulted. U.S. District Attorney Michael Ormsby says his office offered Morgenstern a plea deal.
This particular defendant opted for his day in court. He got his day in court.
Morgenstern's defense attorney, Brian Whitaker, was up against a mountain of evidence. More than 1 million images of child porn collected from Morgenstern's stash. For the defense, there were simply no witnesses to call.
What were witnesses going to say?
Morgenstern used his knowledge as a doctor to drug his victims before abusing them. Many didn't remember what happened until they saw themselves on Morgenstern's videos.
All I can feel is that I have done, to this day, absolutely everything I could do for Craig Morgenstern.
Morgenstern didn't show any sign of emotion when the verdict came down, even knowing he may die in prison.